Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Probability. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video.
The given question is, complete the following statement. The sum of the probabilities of all the elementary events of an experiment is dash. So guys, it is asking us to find out or to tell or to find out or what exactly it should be the sum of the probabilities of all the elementary events of an experiment. So guys, let us look here. Let us see here what exactly we need to do or what exactly the question is being asking us to do. Now, if you look here, the question is asking us to find out the sum of the all the elementary events. Now guys, if you look here to the question, what we will see? The question is asking us the sum of the probabilities of all the elementary events of an experiment is dash. In order to answer this question, let us first try to understand what is an elementary event. Once we understand the definition of elementary event, then it would be helpful to, or it would be easy to find out the answer or to fill up the blanks. So the definition of the elementary event says that what it says? It says that if an event E consists of only one outcome of the experiment, then it is called as an elementary event. That means if an event E just have only one outcome, then that particular event is called as an elementary event. Now guys, let us take the example of a dice. If we throw a dice, what we'll get? If we throw a dice, we will get either one or two or three or four or five or six. That's all. Either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Any one of the digit will be on the top of the dice. Once we throw a dice, we will end up in getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. That means if a person asks somebody to throw a dice, then definitely there are chances of only one event. If I say that okay, 3, I will get 3. There is only one chance of getting a 3. There are not 2 3s or 4 3s or 5 3s. There is only one chance of getting a 3. So this is the best example. If an event E consists of only one outcome, that means for 3 there is only one outcome, for 4 there is only one outcome, then that event is called as an elementary event. Now guys, let me give you an example in the other way so that it would be very easy to understand. Let a person throws the dice. Then if I say that a person will get the chance of a person getting odd numbers. So how many odd numbers are there if you throw a dice? Odd numbers are there like 1, 3, then 5. There are 3 odd numbers. So the favorable outcomes, in other words, I can say the favorable outcomes of getting an odd number is 3, because either a person will get 1, 3, 5. So here the favorable outcomes is 3 and the total number outcomes is 6. So this is what we can conclude. But this is not the definition of our elementary event. Our elementary event says that we should get only one outcome, that is 2 or 3 or 4 or 6. We should not end up in saying that okay, the person will get odd number or even number. Hope guys you understood the definition of the elementary event. Now coming to after looking at the definition of the elementary event, so now it would be very easy to answer this question. The question says that the sum of the probabilities of all the elementary events of an experiment is, what we can say now, is 1. A person can easily say that the sum of the probabilities of all the elementary events of an experiment is 1. Hope guys you would have understood what is the definition of elementary event or how to answer this question. But still, if you have any confusions, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.